show today. Today we have a calendar.
That's right. With a lot of homeschooling going on and kids staying at home, we thought it'd be a cool idea to get a calendar that's going to fit on our refrigerator. So we ordered one from Amazon and we're going to tell you all about it.
Stay tuned.
Hey, welcome back to the show. Let's take a look to see what kind of calendar we got from Amazon.
Let's see. Wow, it has
Styrofoam. We got styrofoam. Awesome.
And markers.
Inside that styrofoam, we have an eraser.
And markers.
What color markers do we have here?
We have pink.
Okay.
Purple.
Hello, Kitty. Kitty's always on our show. Check out all our episodes. This kitty loves to draw with us. Blue,
Gray.
and gray. Let's take a look at the actual calendar that we got. So inside this, there should be two different types of magnets here. We have
You say magnets.
Well, it goes onto the refrigerator, so it's a magnet. But yeah, it's a calendar magnet. This right here, this says list each day to the fullest. So you can kind of say, you know, what we're going to be doing for the day. Like, you know, at 10 o'clock, we're going to eat cookies. 10:30, eat more cookies. And at 11 o'clock, eat even more cookies. Here is our calendar, our monthly calendar. It's upside down. Take a look at that one right there.
Look how big it is.
It is big.
Look how big.
This will fit perfect on the refrigerator.
And I can even fit my face through it.
Can't even see you on there. This is really cool. You can put the day, or not the day, the month right here. This is a really cool magnet. I love this. It's really thick. If you look right here, it's really thick. It doesn't seem like it's made cheaply. So let's take a look at the other one that comes with this. And this is our weekly planner. So Sunday, go fishing. Monday, do a little fishing and then do some schoolwork. No, we're not supposed to go fishing on it during the school. But you can list all the cool activities that you're doing on here, and it's all erasable. So right here, let me see.
Show
here.
you.
Yeah.
We'll show you. Watch this.
So you can put math.
Like that. And
Just
then
like that.
You
And
can have two erasers.
the pins even come with a eraser on them too.
And because of these erasers too. What? Both of them are gone.
So this is a great weekly planner and monthly planner for your refrigerator. Very high quality. We are going to have a lot of fun with this. Make sure you check out the link down below on Amazon where you can find this, and check out our other videos. Please subscribe. Have a fun day. Bye-bye.
Bye. Adios.
Adios.
Bye.
Did you know the names of the month?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
Well, that's close. Those are the days. You know what the months are? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. And the days of the week are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.